Good morning, guys. It's really early. It's 7:11, and today we're going scalloping in Pasco County. It's the second year it's been open in Pasco County, and previously we've had to drive up to Hernando County to get the scallops. So today we're going to a store to get my fins, and then we're gonna go to breakfast, and then we're gonna hop on the boat to go get the scallop.
Okay, we'll get it. Nice. Good job, dude.
Thanks.
Cool. Now we need about 3,000 more.
Okay.
Get to work.
All right, so we've been scalloping for about an hour. We are just north of the Anclote power plant. I don't know if you can see that. We're just north of that, just north of the Pasco County line, and we are pretty close to shore. We're in about 3 foot of water, and the scallops are very few and far between. But as you can see, as I turn around, we have a Florida afternoon thunderstorm. It's about ready to smash us. So we're gonna wrap it up here. Gonna jump back on the World Cat, and we're gonna head on back in. So, oh, we have a storm to the south of us too, as they turn around here. A big storm raining behind us. So we'll be dodging storms on the way back in. We only have to go to Bel Air, so stay tuned.
Okay, so we had to, yeah, go ahead. Jump in, hit it. So we have to pull it. We got to skedaddle, as you can see. straight up nasty. So it's time to power up the Yamahas and go.
Day ended on storms, and next time we'll have to try Hernando County and see if there's more up there. And if you guys like today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. We'll see you later.